My people, we have a big problem in Liberia.
We need your help. Ebola is here and is real.
Ebola is a killer virus.
But if we work together, we can stop it.
The sickness starts with fever and it's hard to finish.
It also comes with headache, pain in the muscle, sore throat, weakness, running stomach, vomiting, and stomach pain.
It just like malaria and cholera from the beginning.
In the last stage of the disease, the sick people will get like rash, red eyes, hiccups, and they may start bleeding. And then a lot of them bleed from all parts of the body, the eye, the nose.
The good news is that if people who are sick get medical help in the early stages, they can survive Ebola.
In fact, there are 16 people in Liberia that have recovered or survived from Ebola.
But only when they got help from the doctors.
This sickness is spreading, and if we do not work together as a country and as a people, many lives will be lost.
There are a few steps you could take if you don't want Ebola to catch you.
Wash your hands with soap or ashes and clean water.
Don't touch sick person without proper protection.
Don't touch the sick person, the pee-pee, the poo-poo, the vomit, the sweat, or the person's blood.
And don't sleep in the same bed with somebody who is seriously sick.
Don't touch or bathe the dead body.
When you see somebody that is sick with fever, headache, running stomach, vomiting, or maybe bleeding,
Or if they died after having any of these above symptoms,
report it.
We advise all our citizens, anybody that have this syndrome, please do not hide them.
For help, call 1333 for Lone Star and 4455 for Selcom.
the response team will come for the sick person and they will take the sick person to the care and treatment center where we will be able to do a lab test, and the result is usually available within 1 to 2 days. If the result is positive, then the doctors will be able to take care of you in the care and treatment center.
Now, while you wait, if you have to care for the person, use 2 clean, strong plastic bags to cover your hands. Make sure you wear long sleeve clothing, and don't touch any fluid from that person, whether it is the vomit, the spit, the sweat, the poo-poo, or the pee-pee. Don't allow any of those fluids to touch your body.
As soon as you are done caring for the sick person, wash your hands with soap and ashes and clean water. Clean up with Clorox.
When the response team comes in to carry the sick person or the dead body, they will spray chlorine water to clean the area. The spray will not hurt you. It only kills the Ebola virus.
So if you have contact with someone who has Ebola, we will follow you for 21 days. And as soon as within that 21 days you have some signs and symptoms like fever, vomiting, and headache, we'll take you to the care and treatment center where we will do the test. And if you are negative, we will send you home. Please always accept the people, the response team that will come to your home to ask you questions, how you are feeling the next day, and so that you can tell them as soon as you develop signs and symptoms, we will be ready to help you.
My people, in our tradition, people would like when they die, we always want to touch them. It is not normal time. This is emergency time.
You can do that when there is abnormal circumstances.
It is not good for you to touch the dead body of the sick person.
So in the case of Ebola, it goes without saying that we should not touch our body or bathe the body.
You can bless the body without touching it.
Anytime you remember your dead person, you can pray.
My name is Lawrence Jojo. I come from Zogolmen Township, Lofa County. First, we did not believe that there was a disease called Ebola, so we did not call in any health workers until many people started dying, including my brothers, sisters, nephews, and uncles. If we had listened to the advice of the health workers, many people would not have died.
Don't wait to catch Ebola before you believe it.
So protect yourself.
Protect your family.
Protect your community.
Together.
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 Together, Liberia will win the fight against Ebola.